Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable app lock for your Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable the app lock, you just simply have to open your Microsoft Authenticator application into your device, and after that this Microsoft Authenticator application will open up, and you just simply have to tap into this three dots into top right corner, and from there you will get to see this settings application. Tap into the settings application, and now after tapping into settings application you will get to see this app lock option inside the security section into your settings. Now you just simply have to enable this toggle for app lock in order to set app lock into your Microsoft Authenticator. Now you just simply have to scan your fingerprints or use your pattern in order to set the app lock. I'm using my biometrics for this, and after doing this very easy step, your app lock will successfully be enabled into your Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.